Hi, my name is Tahila, and I'm going to read Seagulls Soar. And this is by April Pulley Sayre, and it's illustrated by Kasia Bogdanska. Seagulls swerve, seagulls soar, yak, 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 from ship to shore. Seagulls paddle, seagulls float, they swim awake, they board a boat. Great Salt Lake to desert dry, far from sea, gulls surf the sky. Seagulls circle, truckloads tip, gulls on garbage rip and flip. Seagulls follow, tractors plow, insects turned up, seagulls chow. Seagulls hunt, stalk and stare, seagulls dance, pose and pair. Fishing buddies clean their catch, seagulls squabble, seagulls snatch. Seagulls carry, drop smack smack, shells hit pavement, clamshells crack. Whale mouths push, trapped fish leap, seagulls catch, seagulls keep. Seagulls nest, gather sticks, spotted eggs, then spotted chicks. Seagulls preen, seagulls sun, left wing, left leg stretch as one. Seagulls grow, seagulls hop, from a cliff edge, seagulls drop. Seagulls swerve, seagulls soar, yak, 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 from ship to shore.